When we say that the market is down, it does not mean na you are already at a loss. It only means na yung value ng inyong holdings ay bumaba. So, what's the difference? Sa stock market investing kasi, you will only lose money if you sell your shares. So, let's say for example, bumili ako ng 5 SUVs at 1 million pesos each. So, that means I spent around 5 million pesos. And then after a year, I learned na yung same SUV is now selling at around 800,000 pesos na lang. Does that mean na natalo na ako on the purchase that I did? We're not talking about depreciation dito ha. It's more about the value of those assets. On that transaction, I can only lose if ibebenta ko yung SUV ko at 800,000. So, doon ako matatalo ng 200,000. Kasi, again, binenta ko siya. Same argument also applies kapag on the other way around naman, yung tipong tumaas yung value ng SUV ko. So, hindi ko pa rin siya kita until such time na ibenta ko siya at that higher price. And that's how the stock market works.